Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create and manage their own online stores. Provides a user-friendly interface for setting up and customizing an online storefront, adding products, processing payments, and managing inventory. Here's a basic overview of how Shopify works. 1. Sign up. To get started, you need to sign up for a Shopify account. You can choose from different pricing plans based on your business needs. To choose a theme. Shopify offers a variety of customizable themes for your online store. You can select one that suits your brand and design preferences. 3. Add products. You can add products to your store by filling out product details, including images, descriptions, and prices. Shopify allows you to manage your product catalog easily. 4. Customize your store. Use Shopify's built-in tools to customize your store's appearance, layout, and navigation. You can make it unique to your brand. 5. Set up payment gateway. Configure your preferred payment gateway, e.g., PayPal, credit card processors to accept payments from customers securely. 6. Manage orders. As customers make purchases, you can view and manage orders. Through the Shopify dashboard, you can also set up shipping options and track shipments. 7. Marketing and SEO. Shopify provides tools for SEO optimization and marketing. You can create discounts, run marketing campaigns, and integrate with social media. 8. Analytics. Track your store's performance with built-in analytics. This data helps you understand customer behavior and sales trends. 9. Customer support. Shopify offers customer support to assist with technical issues and questions you may have about running your store. 10. Scale your business. As your business grows, Shopify offers scalability options, such as adding more products, using third-party apps, or upgrading your plan. Expanding further, Shopify's intuitive drag-and-drop interface simplifies the process of adding and organizing product categories, streamlining the navigation experience for your customers. Moreover, the platform's responsive design ensures your online store looks polished and functions seamlessly across various devices, enhancing the accessibility for a broader audience. Beyond aesthetics, Shopify's comprehensive inventory management tools empower users to track stock levels, set up alerts for low inventory, and even manage multiple sales channels from one centralized dashboard. This consolidation extends to order fulfillment, where you can seamlessly process orders, print shipping labels, and update customers on their order status all within the Shopify ecosystem. This integrated approach simplifies the operational side of running an online store. Furthermore, Shopify's App Store opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to augment your store's capabilities with specialized apps. Whether it's integrating with social media platforms for wider reach or incorporating loyalty programs to engage customers, these apps provide a tailored approach to meet specific business goals. In terms of security, Shopify ensures that transactions are protected with industry-standard encryption, fostering trust between you and your customers. This commitment to security is pivotal in today's digital landscape. Lastly, Shopify's commitment to innovation means that users benefit from regular updates and new features, keeping your online store at the forefront of e-commerce trends. This continual evolution is a testament to Shopify's dedication to providing a cutting-edge platform for businesses of all sizes. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel.